I'm standing out front of the iPhone Repair VB Incorporated. They repair the iPhone, iPad, electronic repair of desktop computers and laptops. And they recently got an award, the Pilot Reader's Choice Award, Best of Contest Gold Virginia Beach winner, the Virginia Pilot, pilotonline.com 2015. And they are located at 508 North Bird Neck Road, Virginia Beach, or you can go to our Chesapeake location at 321 Johnston Road, Chesapeake, or go to our website at www.iphonerepairvb.com. As you can see, we also have accessories for the iPhones and iPads. iPhone 5C, 5S, and the iPhone 6 have some clearance cases. We also have the outer box for the iPhones and the outer box for the iPads. And we have the life-proof case also for the iPads. And we also have some stylus pens. You can come by and get one if you'd like. Again, it's an iPhone Repair VB Incorporated. www.iphonerepairvb.com. We're located at 508 North Bird Neck Road, Virginia Beach. You take 264 East, get off of Bird Neck and make a left for the next shopping center to the immediate right. Or you can go to our Chesapeake location at 321 Johnston Road, Chesapeake. Come on out and see us, get some great prices and great service. Thank you.